Hey family, it's Kavina here back with another video. So today I figured I'll just come on and we'll see what a good old twist out will look like together, you and I. So let's get it. So right now I just have in my three usual flat twists that I do on my hair up under my wig. And so I figure, you know, like while my edges are baking, growing, whatever you want to call it, while they baking, growing, okay, that, you know, I try to twist out and let's see what it look like. Why not? The edges growing in. Let's check it out. Let's see what we gonna get here. All right, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and take these twists out that I have in. And yes, my hair is dry and dry, like I was saying. And so right here you just see I just freshly shampooed and conditioned my hair. So now I'm just kind of trying to get a little bit of the water out. And yeah, so that's what you're seeing right here. And then you see I'm just showing you my edges a little bit, what they look like after I freshly shampooed my hair, so that you can see that. And yes, that water was real. It was straight dripping. So now this is the back of my head, and you can see like my where the donor area at, and you can see the shorter hairs. So now I'm about to apply my leave-in, and it's from Influence. I'm gonna apply that all over my head. And this water is real, honey, because it's dripping. You see my eye? Yes, and I had to close my eye a little bit right there. So yeah, I'm just gonna spray this all over. And then after I spray it all over, I'm just gonna detangle. You see I just have my big detangling comb right there. I'm just gonna detangle a little bit to get some of the excess tangles out, just in case I have any. And now I'm just going to part my hair into sections so that it's easier for me to work with when I get ready to twist my hair down. So yeah, I'm gonna just like I said, sections. You see, yeah, that water was real, really real. So I done sectioned some of my hair, and here I go, I'm just sectioning the rest of my hair. And as you can see in the back, now I'm just twisting down that part that I separated. Yeah, so it won't be in the way once I start twisting. And then so you see I clipped that away, and this is what I look like, voila, when I turn back around. So yeah, I'm going to now apply my Nairobi foam. I'm using foam wrap, yes. For those who don't use foam wrap, cool. We all use different stuff. Cool, cool, cool. So I'm just going to use my Nairobi foam wrap, and I just sectioned off a piece that's about the size of all the twists that I'm going to do. And now I'm just going to spray my foam wrap on and comb that so I can detangle a little bit more. And I'm just going to get to twisting. I'm going to do a flat twist down to my scalp instead of just like a loose twist, loose 2-strand twist. I'm just going to flat twist it down after I comb out the tangles, any tangles that I may have. That's what I'm going to do with that section. And I'm pretty much going to do that with every section that I do. I'm pretty much going to do the same thing to every section. So you see me flat twisting it down now. So this is about what I'm doing right here. And then of course after I flat twist it down, I'm going to proceed to the rest of the sections. And once I get to those sections, thought I was doing something twisting that hair around my finger, huh? That hair felt good though. And so now you just see at the back, I'm pretty much just finishing up my last twist at the back of my head. And this is what the twist look like in the back. Nothing perfect or anything like that. Just some flat twists. And now you can see I'm just showing my suture area again where the suture line was and the hair that's growing there. And so yeah, that's what it's looking like in the back. Hey, get your laugh on. Go ahead. Y'all know. I laugh at myself and it's all good. So yeah, now I'm just showing you the front so you can see what the twist look like. And yeah. And baby, let me tell you, this dryer right here, hot. I got up quick, fast, in a hurry, and I let my hair air dry overnight. So yeah, I'm just separating the twist. Look at those curls though. Look at those curls, y'all. Y'all see them? Yes, they looking good. Come on now. Yes, they look good, y'all. To me. And to you, don't they? It's okay if they don't though. But they do to me. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep separating for fullness, and I'll be right back. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is what I came up with. Once I unraveled and fluffed the twist and everything, I used trusty pick to fluff it up to get like a little more volume, a little more fullness. And this is what I came up with, you know, trying to see what we can do, what we can get while we wait on those edges to bake, you feel me? So yeah, bake, grow, whatever you want to call it. So I just want to see, so we all can see what it looked like. So y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think. And right here I added 2 clip-ins and made them curly so that it could kind of blend, but I used clip-ins that were a totally different color from my hair, just some old clip-ins that I found that I had, and I used the ones that were not the color of my hair, just so you know we can see. Yeah, so we can see. So this is what I came up with. Y'all let me know what you think. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like it. I've had better twist outs, but considering, you know, the hair is growing in, and like I said, my hair was shaved a little further back than needed, so that hair is much shorter than what it used to be because it's growing back. So baby, I'll take that any day, considering, you know, I got some edges. You feel what I'm saying? Okay, like it. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I like it. Let me turn around. So this is pretty much what the back is looking like. I think it's cute. I think it's cute. Considering, I mean, I think it's cute. Okay, I think it's cute. Yeah. So yeah, anyway, like I said, while we waiting on these edges to bake, to grow, however you want to put it, you know, I figured why not? Let's all see what a twist out would look like on my head, you know? So anyway, like I said, y'all tell me what y'all think down in the comments down there, and you know, let me know. All right. So anyway, y'all have a blessed day. I appreciate y'all for watching. Look at me, I say I appreciate y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all for subscribing and liking my videos and commenting. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank y'all for going along on this journey with me. And like I said, thank y'all again. And I'll talk to y'all later. God bless you. Bye-bye.